What if the next industrial revolution isn't led by humans, but by artificial intelligence? Over the past year, AI has drafted thousands of inventions, from life-saving medical tech to cities that defy physics. Today, we're breaking down 10 concepts so revolutionary they could redefine humanity's future. Some are already in labs, others sound like sci-fi, but AI insists they're possible. Let's uncover the tech that'll blow your mind. Our first invention solves a problem that costs the global economy $300 billion yearly. Potholes. AI's solution? Roads made with self-healing asphalt. Embedded with microbe-sized nanobots, these roads detect cracks using vibration sensors. When damage occurs, the bots activate, melting nearby recycled plastic to seal gaps in under 30 minutes. No construction crews, no detours, just roads that regenerate like living tissue. But here's the kicker. These nanobots are powered by solar absorption and carbon dioxide. That means every repair cleans the air. Pilot projects in Norway and Singapore are already testing this tech, and drivers report 40% fewer accidents. AI's verdict? The age of orange cones is over. Invention 2 turns your bathroom mirror into a mental health guardian. Using a combination of micro-expression analysis, voice stress detection, and thermal imaging, this AI-powered mirror scans your face each morning. Are you stressed from work? It'll glow blue and whisper, "Breathe, you've got this." Feeling confident? It'll flash gold and play your personal anthem. But the real magic is in its predictive care. By tracking trends over months, it can alert you to early signs of burnout or depression, often before you notice. Privacy concerns? The data stays offline, encrypted in a home server. Early adopters call it a therapist that doesn't judge your pajamas. And yes, it'll still roast you for skipping sunscreen. Invention 3 tackles climate change with floating metropolises. These AI-designed cities are built on hexagonal platforms made of graphene-reinforced solar panels. By day, they harness sunlight. By night, underwater turbines convert wave motion into energy. Each city produces 200% of its power needs, funneling the excess to onshore grids. But survival isn't just about energy. To withstand hurricanes, the entire structure can submerge 50 feet in 90 seconds. Housing 50,000 residents, these cities grow food in vertical hydroponic farms and desalinate seawater using waste heat. The first prototype? Already under construction near Dubai. AI's warning: rent will be steep, but the view, priceless. Invention 4 merges neuroscience with interior design mind-controlled smart homes. Using a non-invasive headband that reads brainwave patterns, this AI system lets you adjust lights, temperature, or even brew coffee just by thinking. How? The headband detects specific neural signals, like imagining a light bulb for lights on or a snowflake for AC. Early trials at MIT achieved 87% accuracy, with response times under 2 seconds. But the real game-changer is for disabilities. Paralyzed users can now unlock doors or call for help without lifting a finger. The downside? You might accidentally order 100 pizzas during a Netflix binge. Invention 5 could end organ donor shortages forever. 3D printed organs. Using your DNA, these AI-driven printers create custom kidneys, livers, and even hearts in under 6 hours. The secret? A bioink made from stem cells and collagen, layered with microscopic blood vessels. But the AI didn't stop there. Each organ includes embedded sensors to monitor rejection risks, sending real-time alerts to your doctor. Trials at Johns Hopkins saw 95% success rates in rats, with human trials starting in 2026. The ethical debate? If we can print organs, can we print superhuman upgrades? AI's answer: ask again in 2035. Invention 6 is for anyone who's ever wanted a scent as unique as their fingerprint AI-designed custom perfumes. Using algorithms trained on over 10,000 fragrances, this tech analyzes your DNA, skin chemistry, and even mood to create a one-of-a-kind aroma. How? Swab your cheek, answer a quiz about your personality, and AI blends notes like sandalwood for calmness or citrus for energy. The result? A perfume that evolves with your body temperature and lasts 12 hours. The catch? Your ex might steal your DNA to clone your scent. Stay vigilant. Invention 7 replaces fur allergies with pixels, holographic pets. These AI companions project lifelike dogs, cats, or even dinosaurs into your home using lasers and fog machines. They learn your habits, greeting you at the door, curling up on the couch, and even begging for virtual treats. But the real innovation? Emotional AI. If you're sad, your hologram golden retriever nuzzles you. If you're stressed, your cat projects calming purrs. Studies show these reduce loneliness by 40% in elderly users. Companies like Sony and Samsung are racing to launch these by 2027, but good luck explaining a T-Rex hologram to your landlord. Invention 8 is for urban dwellers tired of sirens, construction, and that one neighbor who revs his motorcycle at 3 a.m. AI-powered noise-canceling windows. Using a grid of microphones and speakers, these windows analyze incoming sound waves and emit counter-frequencies to neutralize noise. The result? 98% silence, even in downtown Manhattan. The tech adapts in real time, so if a sudden ambulance passes, your apartment stays library quiet. Trials in Tokyo high-rises saw residents report 30% less stress and better sleep. The downside? You'll finally hear how loud your own thoughts are. Invention 9 could end world hunger. Vertical AI farms. These 50-story towers grow crops hydroponically using 90% less water and zero pesticides. AI monitors each plant's health via cameras and sensors, adjusting light, nutrients, and humidity by the second. A single tower produces 2,000 tons of food yearly, enough to feed 40,000 people. Startups like Plenty Unlimited are building these in food deserts, slashing grocery costs by 60%. But here's the twist. AI also designs new crops. Imagine drought-resistant wheat or vitamin-packed strawberries. The future of farming isn't in fields, it's in the cloud. Invention 10 is hauntingly beautiful. AI time capsules. Upload your memories, voice, and personality traits, and AI creates a digital avatar that lives on after you die. Grandkids can chat with their ancestors, asking questions and hearing stories in their exact voice and mannerisms. Ethical? Debatable. But in South Korea, over 10,000 families use this to cope with loss. The AI even evolves, guessing how you'd answer new questions. One user said, "It's like Dad never left." The catch? Your avatar might spill secrets you took to the grave. Choose wisely. These aren't just gadgets, they're revolutions. From silencing chaos to cheating death, AI is reshaping what's possible. But the biggest question remains: will we use this power to uplift humanity, or repeat the mistakes of the past? Smash subscribe for AI's Dark Side 10 tech warnings, and let us know which invention excites or terrifies you most.